Welcome back to The Price of Business. I'm your host, Kevin Price, talking to you about you and your business. I'm going to talk to Papa Jay with the Dieye Law Firm here in Houston, Texas. Been looking forward to this and delighted to be able to have a chance to meet you. Welcome to the program.
Thanks, Kevin.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us about you and your firm.
Kevin, my name is Papa Jay. I help people who are involved in family situation, dealing with divorces and custodies and child support. I also help people who've been injured in accidents and looking to recover for their damages and injuries.
Okay. And so you handle a lot of personal related legal issues.
That is true. We've been in business for over 10 years now, and our primary focus is on family and on injury law.
How long have you been in the Houston area?
I came down here in 2003 from Tulane Law School. I started working with Exxon Mobil Corporation as an in-house counsel about 3 years, and then I went out on my own. It's been rewarding. It's been good being on my own, and I enjoy what I do every day, and I have great clients, and the work is quite fulfilling.
Very good. Very good. Tell me a little bit about your practice and why you chose to go into specific areas, especially since energy was one of your early focuses.
That is very true. And one of my primary goals when I left law school was to really help people. I wanted to be involved in their lives. I wanted to provide a service that folks can really count on and use. And I think family law is one of those areas where you deal with people's emotion, you deal with important stuff with kids, with safety issues, with money, you deal with, access to your children, and that's important. And that's what I wanted to do and have an impact on someone's life.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And so that's how you found yourself in that particular area. Let me ask you in terms of, sorting out what you do. You said family law and also deal some with personal injury type issues. What percentage of your practice is one and the other?
Right now, about 60% is family and 40% is about injury law. Yeah. The injury field is unique because a lot of folks want to do it. But really, what separates me from most of the other attorneys is that we make sure that you get the care that you need to get back on your feet. When somebody hurts you in an accident that is not your fault, my goal is to make sure that you get back on your feet and you get the proper care and the proper attention.
Yeah, absolutely. Talking to Papa Jay, he's with the Papa Jay firm. And by the way, your website, the best way for people to learn about you?
Absolutely. It's DIEYELAW.com, and you can contact us there. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on LinkedIn. You can reach us any time of day.
Yeah. What would you say is the most rewarding part of what you do?
When I'll tell you a story quickly. A quick story. When I had a client of mine whose ex-wife was trying to keep him from seeing his kid, and we went to court and we had a long hearing and a battle with the judge, and I was able to set aside what she was trying to do, and the judge gave my client standard access. And I got a call that afternoon from one of his kids who said, "Thank you for bringing my dad back." That was one of those days that you feel that what you're doing has an impact on people's lives.
Makes a big difference. Papa Jay with the Jay firm. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Kevin.
All right, when we come back, much more for you. Do want to remind you, best content here, including this interview, can be found over there at the national news website, usdailyreview.com. While there, like it on Facebook, follow it on Twitter.